Okay, I'm now going to cover the topic with the Smart S2X satellite receiver, how to successfully install this box. So I'll come along, I'll open the satellite box. What we find inside is a satellite receiver and a remote control. There's nothing else there. There's an instruction manual, but there's no SCART lead, no RF leads, nothing like this. So you come along anyway, and the box itself is extremely simple. If you look here on the back of the box, we have an RS-232 cable which can be used for programming the boxes. We have an LNB in port, and we have a SCART to feed the television. There's no RF throughs, nothing like this. So it's a very small, neat, compact box. So the first thing I will do is I'll come along and I will plug in the satellite. I'll turn on the box, and now I'll connect the power lead onto the back of it. Or I say the power lead, it's of course the satellite lead, and it's feeding from a satellite dish similar to this here, which would be something, a Sky 2 or a Zone 2 Sky satellite dish. Okay, and now what we do is we come along and we connect in the SCART lead. Now, when we have fed the SCART lead, when the SCART lead is connected into a satellite box like this, there's a positive signal coming from that SCART lead, so it actually automatically flicks the television over to the AV channel on the vast majority of televisions. So it's a very handy feature to do with these boxes here. Okay, so if I come along then and I pick up the remote control, that's an Aventi remote control here for this box, and just hit select there. This box is fully pre-programmed, but it comes with a total of 76 channels on the boxes. Okay, but the main listings we have are the BBCs, the ITVs, and if we work our way down through the list, the news channels, we put the film channels on next, then the children's channels, then a sort of a general mix, and then some of the hour behind channels for the ITVs, things like that, the regional variations. Then we have the streams on it as well, and they're very handy because they're streams associated with BBC, and they're often during the daytime to have either sports or music on. So you know, it's actually very high quality things for relatively unknown channels. And so we just come along here, and if you just really want to go to a single channel, just pressing button 1, go OK, flicks you over to that thing there, and you can see there's an EPG guide and various other features come with it. So you can see here now it's BBC News, and coming up after this you can see the next programme is going to be listed. So BBC Newsline, which will be regional news, and just to get out of that there, you just hit the exit button. And that's it in completion. The full installation beginning to end of an S2X Smart satellite receiver.